And Becca's with me. She's over there. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. We are going to be doing a slime video. See, yeah, this. Woo. Yes, go ahead.
Hey guys. So, we're gonna play with slime. And I'm with Caitlin. Say hi.
Hey. So,
We're mixing random things.
yeah, we're going to be mixing some stuff in.
Hey, but there's no mess around us.
Yeah, I'm surprised that we didn't make a mess. That's really weird.
Okay, first things first. First thing first, say I
Okay. Want to do this first?
Yeah.
So we crushed up some Pez. We crushed them up as good as we can. And
Oh my god, like.
you can, yeah. We're going to be mixing some of those in. Oh, my slime's already over here. There we go. Mixing some of those in. You can see the
Yeah,
crunch.
it's like water at the bottom.
You can feel it.
Like you can hear it and you feel it. Aw.
Okay. It's going to make it really Eastery. That's what I'm scared about. I don't want it to be Eastery. And right there, it's just like pure powder. Slowly adding. Oh, this just made a mess. This just made a mess. Oh, yeah.
Hey, I made a mess too, so don't worry.
Trying to not put a lot in. Did you put all of yours in?
Not all of them.
I didn't either. So here it is. We used white, pink, orange,
Peaches, orange.
and then we also used purple.
And no, this is not edible.
It-
Did you use others?
No. If you mix Pez into slimes, it's not edible anymore. Okay?
And it's never been edible. I'm kidding.
Pez are edible when it's not mixed with anything else. But if it is, like, say slime,
It's not edible.
it's not edible because if you don't make edible slime, it won't be edible.
It will be disgusting, and it might taste like glue.
And you will die. If your glue is not non-toxic. Okay. So it should...
Have you guys ever eaten glue?
comment down below if you guys have ever eaten glue.
Yeah, I've never.
I haven't either.
I might have like got it in my mouth on accident, but
I have absolutely never.
okay.
I think it's time
We'll get
to
to that later.
I'm going to mix the rest of mine in. Are you?
Nope. I'm doing it at the end of the video.
Okay, next ingredient. You want to tell them or you want me to tell them?
I'm doing different thing.
You are?
What are you gonna do? Okay, so
I'm going to be adding...
y'all might think it's water, but y'all gonna.
Comment down below what you think I'm adding first before I
Yep.
add it in. No cheating.
Yeah.
Comment right now. I'm
We'll
gonna give
give you 5 seconds.
5, 4,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. You want to go first or want me to go?
I go first.
Okay, hurry.
Open it.
Beautiful.
What?
That does not taste well.
Have you gotten this in your mouth before?
Oh yeah, I want to lick my fingers.
What?
Have you ever gotten hand sanitizer in your mouth, like when you lick your fingers?
But this isn't that bad though.
Girl.
Bruh.
She
Okay.
had to open it with her teeth.
Yeah, it's hard. Okay, as you'll see, we're using hand sanitizer.
Well,
As y'all heard.
Becca is using hand sanitizer. I'm not. Sorry, I'm just making a little more Pez in because I was bored.
Oh my gosh. Like, now it's gonna be a little watery, but I don't give a crap.
Okay, I was just shifting it. Now my ingredient is flour. Add some flour. Here it is. Like, I was just tapping on the ground to like break it up a little bit. See? Okay. I'm gonna be really pressured, so I'm just gonna flatten it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my! My mom.
Y'all want to see hers?
It got everywhere, guys.
Come on, focus. Focus. Stupid phone.
I did too much than I wanted, but
Oh, wow.
yeah, I did way too much than I wanted. Oopsie.
Look.
Yeah, I'm just gonna slowly but surely mix this in.
Oops, I need to get it back. Oh,
Alright.
God, I did not see any mess around us.
No, that just gave it away, Becca. I just made a huge mess, guys. That was Becca, not me. Becca, admit you farted.
No.
It was you. If I did, I would go, I farted. If it was me. Whoa, this feels awesome now. Please become butter slime.
Like butter, like this. What?
Throw that in butter slime.
Okay, but it's like it.
Okay, I'm still mixing all the stuff I did on the floor into the slime. I'm just mixing it up here, so.
Is it stretchier?
No, not really. It's kind of the same.
Okay. Light. There's no light. I don't care.
Yeah, it's like midnight, guys. We're making a video at midnight. Thumbs up if you like it.
I've done that before.
Yeah, something like that.
It is
12:06. 11:06. Sorry, Mac. I was.
My phone
Ooh.
says it's 11:08.
Are you gonna use the flour now?
Yeah, later.
Okay. I saved a little bit for you.
A little bit. Do you see how much that is?
You can't take all of it. Oh, can't take.
Let's see some.
I go. I can I go.
With your eyes closed.
Not in there, but like, so all the powder that from your nose comes out, but not into there. Let me see it.
I know. Did it get in your eye? Okay, now I'm using a squirty squirts. Kind of.
I'm gonna use some hand sanitizer like Becca did.
Guess what it is? Guess. You don't guess it, so.
Oh, holy crap, that was too much. Why am I adding too much stuff today? It's a mess.
No. Another liquid. Yes. Oh my gosh. And yeah, comment down below what grade you're in and how old you are.
Well, not how old you are. We don't want to like be perverts.
Yeah.
So just comment what grade you're in.
Yeah. No.
Can we say ours?
We're in
1/5.
Yes.
We're
And
old.
Caitlin has 2 teachers and I have 4.
Yeah, I don't know why. Last year I had 4. Now I have 2. It's stupid. I want 4.
Oh no, that almost fell.
I want 4 teachers. I need a little bit of that. I made it sticky. See? I just add a pinch of flour because that just made it sticky. Like, no, my tower! My tower fell! I had a tower that was holding my phone, but it fell! My tower's dead.
Caitlin, face it.
Okay. Ooh, that's better lighting.
I don't have lighting.
It's like, I don't got bubbles.
Hey, there's lighting. Haha.
Mama
It makes it shiny on my camera.
Eyes. Mine's shiny on my camera, but not shiny in my life. Oh no. Some perfume, 2 sprays works. Wow. That's not me singing.
Squirt, 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 squirt,
Squirt,
squirt,
squirt,
squirt.
What should I add now, guys?
Do we have anything else?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. Oh, you already had it?
Yeah.
I don't know. We should grab more stuff, but we also have to bring them.
Yep, we sure do.
Spice.
We can have some spices.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Like, oh yeah, sorry.
So,
I'm back.